We all want to get the best deal when shopping for a mortgage. After all, it's likely the largest monthly expense you'll have. There's a lot of misinformation out there about how to best shop for a loan, so let's go over some facts. First, having your credit pulled more than one time. This one is a question I get asked all the time, so let's set the record straight. You have a 45-day window to have your mortgage credit report pulled by multiple lenders, where it will only count as one inquiry against your credit score. Let me say that again. You can have your credit pulled by more than one lender, and it won't impact your credit negatively if done within 45 days from the first pull. Now, that doesn't mean you want to go have 12 different credit pulls done. That just isn't necessary and could eventually hurt your score. But having 2 or even 3 won't be a problem. I always recommend getting started with your pre-approval about 2 weeks prior to looking at any homes. That gives you plenty of time to get all of your documents together for your lender, work through all the different scenarios for your purchase, and know your real budget. You'll also be a lot calmer if you do it before you start looking and making offers. Trust me from experience. Next, how should you actually shop? You want to apply and get rate quotes on the same exact day and preferably the same time of day. Mortgage rates change daily and sometimes hourly. Getting a quote on different days is not a good comparison. You're not comparing apples to apples. You want to make sure you're comparing similar options. Make sure it's the same loan program, FHA to FHA, or conventional to conventional. You want to make sure the lender is quoting you the same amount of discount points, 0 points to 0 points, or 1 point to 1 point. You also don't want to get hung up on the third-party costs. Things like title company fees, recording or transfer fees, property taxes, homeowners insurance, all of those items are going to be identical regardless of the lender. I promise you they are all the same. And someone can quote $1,000 for a title fee and the next lender could quote $2,000. It doesn't mean that's what they really will be. On a loan estimate, Section A fees are the lender fees, and that's all that really matters at this point in the process when you're shopping for a lender. Finally, once you do have the quotes from the lenders on the same day and in the same time and the same programs, you want to then go to a government website to make sure you're getting a fair quote. The Consumer Finance Protection Bureau has a website, consumerfinance.gov, and you can explore their rates feature. You put in the information from your scenario, and it will give you the average market rates in the country for your scenario. This way you can compare what the lenders have given you to that and know whether you're getting a fair deal or not. If you have any other questions on how to shop for a mortgage, please reach out. I'm here to help. Have a terrific day.